challenges. As Rachel explained last time, every so often we're going to be setting you something to help you support our campaign. And this time we'd like to talk about wearing makeup. So what we'd like you to do is maybe post a blog or a video blog of you either taking off your makeup so that we can see how much you usually wear and what you look like naturally, or to just show, like, take a photo before you put your makeup on one morning. You can too shy otherwise, just so that you can prove that natural is beautiful. And by the magic of video, in a minute we're going to chop onto the end of this delightfully rumbling piece what we look like when we take our makeup off. We're intending to film that pretty soon. And as usual, you can submit your piece to us by putting it on your blog and sending it to us at this email address or on this Tumblr. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Bye. So this is our no makeup video. We were going to take our makeup off for you, but then we couldn't be bothered. So this is what we look like before we've got ready on a morning with nice bed hair and curtains closed and tiredness. Yeah. So yeah, we've shown you. Now you've got to show us.
Exactly. Yeah.
We look forward to it. Don't forget to share it in all the usual places. Okay. Bye.
Bye.